students for you. Today we are going to see about exercise 2.3. In this we are going to see about three important results. Integral e power x dx is e power x plus c. Integral e power ax plus b. Here coefficient of x is a. So 1 by a e power ax plus b plus c. Here c is constant. Next integral a power x dx is, this is very important result. This result only we will use it in our problem in exercise 2.3. A power x by log a plus c. Have you understood? Note down these three results in your rough note. Who is Vivo Y50? Spot out your name. Name solunga yaranu. Write down these three results in your rough note. This is very important result. This result only we will use it in our problem. See, have you copied these results? See, next we are going to see about exercise 2.3 problems. In that I am going to do first problem. What is my first question? Gunesh. Our first problem is e power x log a plus e power a log a minus e power n log x. See, already know logarithmic rule. Log x power n we can write it as n log x. This logarithmic rule only we are going to use it in this problem. See here, this is of the form e power x log a. This one I can write it as, how we can write, see, e power log a power x. Have you understood? This rule only I am using here. This is the logarithmic rule. Log x power n is n log x. So like this you can write it here, plus e power log, this a you can bring it to this side, a power a minus e log, this here you can write it as x power n. Have you understood? So what I have done in first problem, a power x, a power a, then x power n. Now this e power log x, which is equal to x. So that means you can eliminate e and log. Likewise here you can write it as a power x. Eliminate e and log. A power a. Here also you can eliminate this x power n. Have you understood? Now I simplified this. Now you can integrate with respect to x. So write your question here, e power x log a plus e power a log a minus e power n log x, which is equal to, now you integrate, you can split into three parts. Integrate a power x dx plus integrate a power a dx. A power a is constant here, minus integrate x power n dx. Have you understood, children? Now we integrate this. This is our third rule, we are going to use it here. What I said, integral a power x dx, you can write it as a power x by log a. This is our third result we are using here. What is the integration of a power a? A power a is constant. A power a x. If we integrate the constant, integrate by now a power a into x minus, what is the integration of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Have you understood what I have done here? See, our first step we have to write 10 powers. then you have to eliminate e and then log. Eliminate பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்றோம்? We are integrating with respect to x. A bar x integrate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? This is our third result. A bar x by log a plus a bar a constant integrate பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? You will get x minus what is the integration of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. At last you have to introduce your constant c plus c. Have you understood? Note down this problem.
YouTube போயிட்டு இருந்துச்சு போதே பார்ப்பாங்க.
Next I am going to do second problem. See, in this exercise totally 8 problems are there. I am going to do now first 5 problems. See, our second problem is a power x minus e power x log b by e power x log a into b power x. You have to integrate with respect to x. See here what I am going to do here. Write a power x minus. Here you use the logarithmic ruling. B power x e power log b power x by here also log a power x into b power x. Have you understood? என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்? I bring this x to this side. பார்க்க கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன். b power x, here also a power x. So now we can eliminate this e and the log. Eliminate பண்ணனா என்ன வரும்? Only we will get b power x and a power x. So a power x minus b power x, a power x into b power x. Have you understood? Now you can split it into two parts. See here, a power x by a power x into b power x minus b power x by a power x b power x. This denominator is common to both, so I am going to split it into two parts. Now you can cancel. So what is remaining here? 1 by b power x minus 1 by a power x. But I am going to take this to numerator. Then b power x will become b power minus x. Numerator this b power x minus x side. Here also a power x will become a power minus x. Now you can integrate with respect to x. See here. Now we can integrate b power minus x dx minus integrate a power minus x dx. Third result we can use it in this problem. See here, what is the third result? Integral a power x dx is a power x by log a plus c. This result only I am going to use it here. Now we can b power minus x by, here what is the coefficient of x here? Minus irukku. So you can write minus log b minus here also. Inge enna padalam? Coefficient of x is minus. Appo here also minus log a plus c. Have you understood? Now what I am going to do? Listen, minus b power minus x by log b. Minus minus enna idum? You will get plus a power minus x by log a plus c. The b power minus x I am going to take it to denominator kondu varum. Here also bring it to denominator. Appo enna idum? 1 by this one a power x log a minus 1 by b power x log b plus c. Have you understood, children? See enna pannirken? b power minus x a power minus x I take it to denominator. Appo the minus enna aidum? Plus aidum. A power x aidum. Here b power x aidum. இங்க இருக்க minus minus என்ன ஆயிடும்? It became plus. இங்க இருக்க minus இங்க போட்டுருக்கேன். That's all. Have you understood? See again I'll repeat here. First you have to write e power x log b ன்னு என்ன பண்ற? Logarithmic rule வச்சு b power x ன்னு எழுதிருக்கேன். In next step what you have to do? You have to eliminate e and the log. Eliminate பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? Only you will get b power x. Here also you will get a power x. See? The denominator is common to both. அப்ப I'm going to split it into two parts. ரெண்டா கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன். Now you have to cancel. Cancel பண்ணினா என்ன வரும்? 1 by b power x minus 1 by a power x. b power x if you take it to numerator கொண்டு போனீங்கன்னா b power minus x. Likewise a power x என்ன ஆயிடும்? a power minus x. Now you can integrate with respect to x. Integrate பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? You have to use our third result. What is integrate a power x dx? So the answer என்ன வரும்? a power x by log a plus c. Likewise b power minus x என்ன வரும்? b power minus x by here x oda coefficient என்ன இருக்கு? What is the coefficient of x here? Minus. So minus log b. Here also minus log a. Now what is our last step? Minus minus to plus sign. Again you take this b power minus x to denominator. கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா b power x a power x. Have you understood? Write down. Copy down this. Next our third problem. See, our third problem is e power x plus 1 whole square into e power x. What you can do here, you can use identity here. This is of the form a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. This identity you can use it here. You have to use it. So, I am going to expand this. So, this is a, this is b, a square plus 2ab plus our b is 1 into e power x. Using the power rule, what you have to do? You have to add the powers. E power 2x plus x is 3x plus 2e power x plus x 2x plus e power x. Now you can integrate. Integrate e power 3x plus 2e power 2x plus e power x dx. Again, if you want, you can split it into 3. Otherwise, directly you can write the answer. Split பண்ணாம எழுதுனா என்ன வரும்? e power 3x by 3 plus 2 e power 2x by 2 plus e power x plus b. If you integrate e power x, what you will get? You will get e power x alone. So e power x plus c. 2 get cancelled. Appa e power 3x by 3 e power 2x plus e power x plus c. This under they will ask in 2 marks. Have you understood? What I am doing here, our first step is you have to use this identity a plus b whole square. Expand this. Use the product rule. You have to add the power. Power add பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணனும்? Again you have to integrate with respect to x. Have you understood? Note down this. Next, our fourth problem is see what is the fourth question given in your textbook. E power 3x minus e power minus 3x divided by e power x. First you have to simplify this question. See here, appo enna panna poren? You have to use quotient rule. Quotient enna பண்ணுவோம்? You have to subtract the powers. அப்ப e power 3x minus x minus e power minus 3x minus x. That means you will get e power 2x, e power minus 4x. Have you understood? Now you have to integrate this. Integrate e power 2x. I am going to split into 2. E power minus 4x dx. What is e power 2x? E power 2x by 2 minus e power minus 4x by minus 4 plus c. Have you understood? Now you can write it as e power 2x by 2 minus minus to plus sign. So e power minus 4x by 4 plus c. Have you understood? See, enna pannirkom? Here I used here e power ax plus b dx. You can write it as 1 by a e power ax plus b plus c. This result only I am using here. Enna pannirken? Integral e power 2x we can write it as e power 2x by 2. Here also what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 4. That means here you have to write minus 4. Appo minus minus and I know plus. So e power minus 4x by 4. Have you understood? Next, our last problem. See, our fifth problem is see, our fifth question is e power 3x plus e power 5x by e power x plus e power minus x. This one we can simplify and write it as, say I am going to write 3x enna panna poren 4 minus 1. 5 enna panna poren 4 plus 1 nu edha poren. See here e power 4x minus x. 4x minus x is also 3x now. Here e power 5x and 4x plus x nu edha poren. What is the major change I am doing here? 3x I am going to write it as 4x minus x. 5x or 4x plus x divided by denominator you write as such. Okay, wow. Now I am going to take e power 4x outside. Common what is remaining here? E power minus x. Here e power x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. Have you understood? Now you can cancel this. What is remaining? Only e power 4x. Now we have to integrate with respect to x. Now what is the answer here? E power 4x by 4 plus c. Have you understood, children? What I am doing here? Our first step is this 3x and 4x minus x. This 5x I am going to write it as 4x plus x. Here e power 4x, e power 4x, take common outside. Common what is remaining? E power minus x, e power x. You can cancel numerator and denominator. What is remaining here? Only e power 4x. Integrate with respect to x. That means e power 4x by 4 plus c. Have you understood? Here what I am using here? This result only I am using in this last step. E power ax plus b dx. 1 by a e power ax plus b. Have you understood? See, I have done totally 5 problems. Remaining problems next class we will do. You have to work out these problems, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask. You have to do these problems in group and you have to send it. Okay? Thank you, children.